Hello again, Azurite. It's Miss Robinson here, just for your weekly check-in. I hope you've had a great week home learning. So what did I get up to this week? As you know, I like to go for walks in the park, and on my walk with my daughter, we came across a swan, and we saw an unusual looking duck. Not quite sure what this duck is called. I've never seen one like this. Maybe you can find out for me, so I have no idea. We also captured a picture of the sunset, and you could see it nicely reflecting in the water. So that's what I got up to. So last week I showed you some of the dishes I like to cook, and this week I'm so amazed to see that you guys have been busy in the kitchen. I've just got two pictures here of Lily, and she is making pizza. Looks like 4 pizzas. I think two large ones by the looks of things, and 2 small ones. I'll be coming to your house for dinner next time, Lily. And Hassan, he seems to be making a pizza with lots of yummy peppers. That also looks delicious. Hassan, I'd like to come to your house for dinner too. So this week's learning looked at the year of the midwife, and lots of you created beautiful rainbows. They're so colourful and wonderful to look at. In the middle here we have Yasmin. She's standing proud, displaying her rainbow. Well done. Now it's time for Dojo Points. Let's see how many dojos you've got this week. Look at all the dojos you have all earned. I am very, very proud, particularly with some children who have now managed to have points which are 2-digit numbers. So you should be very, very proud. I'm particularly pleased with Yasmin and Jessie, because they now have 16 dojos. Remember, parents, you can award dojos. So if you think your child has worked really hard, you have the power to give out dojos. Just let me know and I can add them on the dojo chart. I can see many of you have been working really hard on your number bonds in maths, and I've just selected just a few to share with us all. Great work to Mohammed, Lily and Molly on your number bonds. I've been equally happy with the English work you've all been doing this week. I've loved looking at your story maps, your descriptive language and the stories that you have written. Miss Chapella says gracias to those children that have worked really hard on their Spanish numbers. Here you can see some pictures from Hassan and Jessie. Also some more pictures from Mohammed and Sally. And the star of the week is Jesse, and this is for his wonderful story. He managed to write 3 pages long. He used descriptive language, full stops, and beautiful cursive handwriting. I know he tried really hard with his handwriting. He tried really hard before school closed, and I can see the progress now. So well done to you, Jesse. Who will be the star of the week next week? It could be you. Okay, as you're right, that's all for now, and I look forward to checking in with you all next week. But before I go, I'd just like to leave you with a riddle, just to get your brains going. So, I'm an odd number. Take away a letter from me and I become even. What number am I? So you can maybe have a think about that, and next week we can revisit that and see what the answer is. Maybe you'll find it before. Be happy to know if you do. So that's it. Well, you have a really lovely week, and I look forward to checking in with you next week.